morning, beautiful humans. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be flowing through a few poses to help you get rid of any overnight aches you woke up with and to get ready to conquer your day. Let's get started.
Let's go ahead and get started in a comfortable seated position. Before we begin any sort of body movement, take a moment to close your eyes, focusing on your breath and only your breath. Focus on every inhale, visualizing the oxygen entering your nostrils, traveling through your body and to your lungs. With every exhale, visualize yourself removing all the negative toxins and thoughts from within. Keeping the eyes either closed or open, find yourself in a cross-legged seated position. Place both hands on your knees. Take a deep inhale into a seated cow pose. Arch the spine, open up the heart, and lift the crown of your head up. As you exhale, tuck your spine under, rounding your back, pulling your shoulder blades away from one another. Taking a few more rounds, continue to flow through the seated cat-cow, moving with your breath, focusing on each and every breath, inhaling positivity, exhaling negativity. From here, we will stay in the same cross-legged seated position, but go ahead and switch the crossing of your legs. Take a deep inhale, lengthening the spine tall, and exhale as you twist towards the right, placing the left hand on the right knee, looking over the right shoulder. Inhale as you lengthen tall, and exhale, twist a little deeper. Slowly inhale your way, releasing back to center, and fully exhale. Same stretch on the opposite side. Deep inhale, lengthen the spine tall. Exhale, twisting towards the left, placing the right hand on the left knee, looking over the left shoulder. And inhale, lengthen tall. Exhale, twist a little deeper. And go ahead and slowly inhale your way, releasing back to center. And fully exhale. From here, inhale, lifting the left arm up, and as you exhale, add a little side stretch, resting the right forearm either on or off a block, rotating up and open with your chest. Focus on keeping the left hip down onto your mat. And inhale, slowly coming back to center, lifting the right arm up, and exhale as you side stretch towards the left, placing the left forearm either on or off a block, while focusing on keeping the right hip down onto your mat. Inhale all the way back to center and release out of the cross-legged position into a tabletop position. Fully inhale as you allow your belly to drop, arching the spine, and exhale round into your cat pose. Inhale as you lift the crown of your head up, and exhale round your spine, pushing into your mat. One more deep inhale, cow pose, and exhale all the way back into your child's pose, driving your hips all the way down towards your heels as you lengthen the spine by walking the fingers forward, releasing your heart towards the ground. From your child's pose, keep your forearms on the ground, lift your hips up so that they are in line with your knees, and slide all the way forward into extended puppy pose. Take one rooted inhale, and as you exhale, draw your heart towards your mat, releasing your shoulders to loosen up. Take one more full inhale and exhale as you lift your hips up into your downward facing dog, pushing evenly with both hands. Focus on your breath as you pedal your feet out, driving your heels into the ground, feeling a nice gentle stretch on your hamstrings. Slowly start to walk your feet towards your hands, one step at a time. Allow yourself to keep your knees slightly bent, drawing your chest towards your knees, minimizing the rounding of your spine. Hug yourself by wrapping your arms behind your legs while in your forward fold, and give yourself some love for taking time to practice this morning. From here, go ahead and release your arms and slowly roll all the way up as you continue to inhale, one vertebra at a time, all the way up, circling the shoulders up and back into mountain pose, with your big toes touching and heels placed slightly apart from each other, balancing evenly on both feet. Take a moment to slowly roll your shoulders forward and backward in a nice fluid circular motion, loosening up any tension in your shoulders. Moving up towards the neck, slowly roll your neck in one direction, keeping your spine nice and lengthened. And go ahead and reverse the direction of the rotation, again focusing on keeping your spine tall, grounding yourself into the earth. And go ahead and slowly release into a neutral mountain pose, standing tall. Take a deep, full, hearty inhale, lifting both arms up, and exhale, swan dive your way down, leading with your heart into a forward fold. And deep inhale, swan dive your way up, lifting both arms up, reaching as far as you can. Fully exhale, release and bend towards the right side. Focus on keeping the arms squeezed towards your ears and keeping your left shoulder from rolling forward. And deep inhale, lifting all the way back to center, arms close to your ears. And fully exhale, release and bend towards the left side. Again, focus on keeping the arms by your ears and try to prevent the right shoulder from rolling forward. And deep inhale, lifting all the way back to center. And go ahead and release both arms down by your sides. Take a moment to close your eyes one last time during your practice. Take a deep inhale as you set your intention for your day. Fully release anything you feel is holding you back from achieving and conquering as you exhale. And now you are ready to spread some magic throughout your day. Namaste.